Good day everyone. In the previous videos, we provided you the health benefits of turmeric, ginger, and other anti-inflammatory goods. In this video, we will now provide you the step-by-step guide on how to create a morning tea that consists of lemons, ginger, turmeric, and pepper, and explain the nutritional benefits of each component. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. Lemon, 1 inch of fresh ginger root, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, 2 cups of water, honey, optional. Step 2. Prepare the ingredients. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice into a small bowl. Peel the ginger and slice it into thin pieces, then grind in for better extraction. Measure out the turmeric and black pepper. Step 3. Boil the water. Add the water to a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Step 4. Add the ingredients to the water. Once the water has boiled, add the grind ginger, turmeric, and black pepper. Stir the ingredients and let them simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 5. Strain the tea. Using a strainer, pour the tea into a cup to remove the ginger, turmeric, and black pepper. Step 6. Add lemon juice and honey, optional. Add the lemon juice to the tea and stir. If desired, add honey to sweeten the tea. Be sure to use an authentic honey, not the refined sugar one. Now let's talk about the nutritional benefits of each component. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system. Contains flavonoids that have antioxidant properties. Helps aid digestion and supports weight loss. Ginger, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Helps soothe nausea and aids digestion. Contains compounds that may reduce muscle pain and soreness. Turmeric, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. May help improve brain function and reduce the risk of heart disease. Has antioxidant properties. Black pepper, enhances the absorption of curcumin in turmeric. Contains piperine, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. May help improve digestion and reduce inflammation. This morning tea is a healthy and delicious way to start your day. Enjoy!